What is up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Aaron Berkshire. Thank you for checking out this video. If you appreciate my videos and you appreciate this channel, please like, comment, subscribe, turn the bell notification on, tell a friend and tell a family member. Now let's get into this video. Alright guys, today I want to talk about something super important, and that is not being afraid to make mistakes. We all make mistakes. Sometimes you just have to learn from your mistakes, and you need to be able to bounce back from it. You need to be able to change. You need to be able to purchase whatever you need to purchase to help fix that, whether it's gear or just learning, getting on YouTube and learning what you need to do to fix it. I want to talk about an experience recently that really messed me up on the inside, just really bummed me out. And as far as I've come in my career, it's 7-8 years now, and as far as I've come to this point in being professional and really taking everything that I do so seriously, I still mess up. Everyone still messes up, and you can't be afraid to make mistakes because you will learn from those mistakes. Recently, I did a podcast with a friend, and unfortunately, it did not have a professional microphone set up with a interface, and then it all plugged in kind of correctly, tracking us, and it was all kind of, it's a long story, but I had it running off of a wire, and that wire that was supposed to be plugged into my camera recording this was shorted out. And even though my wife had told me recently in some of the voiceover things that she had done recently that there was some trouble with the wire and it was shorting out, I completely spaced on it. I completely didn't even think about it. I just invited my friend over here, we did a podcast, and I didn't even think to, hey, like, check the wire, check the cord. And at the same time, that whole setup was just wrong, and it was lazy, and I needed to learn from my mistake, and I'm actually really glad that that happened. Now, like I said before, sometimes you have to purchase things to help make yourself better. Sometimes you do, unfortunately, you have to spend money. It's one fact about growing in the industry and something you have to do, and we all know that we have to spend money to get better. So what I did was I purchased a Scarlett i2 Focusrite interface so I could actually plug in. I purchased XLR cables, I purchased another microphone, I purchased all the things so I could actually have a good audio and a good podcast and good microphones being tracked at the same time through the Focusrite Scarlett, which I'm not promoting this. I just bought this. I'm not sponsored by this, but I did buy this Focusrite. Let me know in the comments what you guys think of this thing. Let me know in the comments if you guys use it. What do you guys think of the Focusrite? I think it's the version 4. I just got it all set up. We're actually tracking through it as we speak, so comment below and let me know what you think of this audio. What I also have done is I've downloaded Adobe Audition, and I wasn't using this before. I wasn't using any kind of audio, program to track. I was literally just tracking to my camera, and I had a cord that was, shorted out, and that whole segment, just, I don't want to put out something unprofessional, and the whole audio ended up just being the audio from the camera. And even after YouTubing one video after another, trying to make home, house, camera audio, sound good, sound professional, it all just seems so bad, and I just was really unhappy with it, and I'm tired of making mistakes when it comes to audio. So let me know what you guys think of this audio in the comments below. Let me know what interface you guys use. Let me know what microphones you guys use. This thing is a podcast kind of like kit, and I bought this thing off of Amazon. I don't remember how much I paid for it, but I've got it sounding just right. I've got some effects. I YouTubed some videos to be able to give it the sound that I want in Adobe Audition, and then I have it running through XLR through the Focusrite. And what I'm going to do is I am going to line up this track with my camera audio here. I am going to line it up in Premiere because I don't want to take a risk of doing it any other way anymore. I've learned from my mistake, and I want to encourage you guys to be okay with making mistakes. Sometimes we mess up, and we just need to be able to overcome that and do better next time, or not let that happen again, or just buy something like the Scarlett, Focusrite mixer, buy XLR cables, buy it all, learn what you have to do and do things right. Don't half-ass and don't be lazy like I was when it came to audio, especially for the podcast that I care so much about. I love the Creative Locker podcast. I love sitting down with my friends and just talking about content and creating and gear and fun memories. I love doing that. So going forward now, I'm gonna have the right audio setup to do that, and I am proud of that. I spent some money and now I'm gonna have the right setup to do that. So that is all for this video, for this rant. I just wanted to come in here and talk to you guys about making mistakes and how even at my level of my career I still make mistakes, and I wasn't taking audio as seriously when it came to podcasting or even these personal YouTube videos that I'm doing. I had this microphone for a little while and I had it, you know, plugged into straight directly into the camera, and that cord for some reason wasn't working the last time I recorded that way, and it honestly just didn't pan out. You know, learn from it. Get on YouTube, watch videos. With all of that said, comment below. Let me know if you think the audio to this sounds better. Let me know what you guys use for audio. What mic do you use? What interface do you use? Do any of you use the Focusrite? Let me know. Let's chat about it. Until the next video, thanks again for checking this one out. Peace.